Ready, one. 14 degrees. That's what it is. So I'm gonna go to Menards. That's the name of the store here, and I hope that they have what I need. Now it's Sunday early morning, and there's nothing happening here on the street. I'm gonna drive down there quick. This is a 5.7K. So from one of the steam radiators, the radiator valve cracked. Right, the store opens in 5 minutes, so we are just in time. And we go in there to find a radiator valve. It's Sunday morning, super early. So there's here this radiant heating section, and there's those radiator valves. 3/4, 1 inch, 1/4. This is what this is. I wonder if I should take 2 or 1. There's 2 more in here, and that's exactly what we need. Absolutely. They even have boiler liquid here, where you can clean the boiler. Leaks in steam and hot water boilers. Boiler, heating, cleaning system, and oil free. That's also good to have. Okay, let's go and buy this and pay for it. Alright, there it is. That was pretty quick. Yeah, this trusted vehicle is waiting for us. So you can see how we get out of here. Avoid a traffic light. So we kind of got lucky in the store. They had 3 valves left of the ones we need. I took only 1, and then there was 1 smaller one, and that's it. So I think it makes sense to go through the house and check out every single size of valve, and then have at least 1 of each laying there, and have that all just sitting there just in case that happens. I mean, I didn't know that can happen, that your valve can break, and who knows if it happens in 10 years, if they still have those valves. You know, my boiler, my furnace, is going to last 50 more years at least. So then I wonder if the parts are available. Let's take a quick look here. Let's see. My little light, does that make it easier? There I cut into the thread, that's bad. But nothing we can do about it now. So what I'm gonna use here in this case is the green stuff, you know. And that is also, we can plug into that. Now I'm gonna screw this back on. And then this has to be straight. Over here. And I'll show you what I mean, like this. Try not to lose it inside. And again, we don't want oil or anything in here. Put some green stuff on here. Like this. And then we screw this thing back in here. That's in there. Align that with a pipe, and then we're good. Oh, there we may have problems with the height and stuff. See, it fit before, so why not now? No, that almost fits there. So the level would be like a little bit up, but this is so minimal. So the whole radiator is leaning down towards the valve for the skid, so water can come out easily. And I can smell already. The green stuff starts smelling. So that means the valve is getting hot. And now we're gonna make sure that there is no water down here. The question always comes up, what sealant I use there for this? And it's just called the green stuff. Premium. If you look this up online, you find it if you search for the green stuff. Yeah, I bought this at Federal Pipe for $10. Works pretty good. Right, so and then when you're done, then the last step is to fix the water damage. So, the fish was talking about freezing water faucets. And then I'm going to show him quick where my water faucet is. So this is my water line coming through the rafters here. And back there it's going through wood to the outside wall. And the valve itself is here where it connects. And yeah, so it's heated by this pipe here. This pipe is always warm. This one here on the left heats upstairs. There I made a video there how I replaced that piece here a few years back. And then this is the radiator that we just fixed in the dining room there. And so in here, that's warm. Oh, it looks like down here. Like a spider. I need to see that I get rid of the spiders. Yo. See, the water ran all the way up there. Wow. Yep, that needs to be taken care of. Yeah, some of the water ran down here.